Hey everybody, Mike and Shannon here with Destination Jackpot.
And we had a fantastic time at Caesar's Palace. We stayed there this time. We had a beautiful 2-room suite. We really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was huge.
It was big.
Very nice.
Our daughter was able to join us, and she was able to stay right next to us in the next room, but we still had our privacy. It had a half bath, so that was really great. It was in the Augustus Tower, which probably isn't our preferred.
Yeah, it was quite a little walk.
Anywhere you went.
From the casino, yeah, anywhere
Yes.
to get to the tower.
Alright, here we are at Vanderpump, Vegas at Caesar's Palace. So we have the goat cheese balls and the ahi tuna. Really, we've had them before. They're amazing.
So it has a work dog dry gin. So it's a gin, hibiscus, raspberries, velvet, valerianum, lemon, and aquafaba.
So we are going to have dinner tonight at Nobu, Japanese restaurant. Here at Nobu, they have exclusive dishes and traditional items. They have many different restaurants of Nobu that are all over the world. And these are some of their classic Nobu dishes. And then they've got just your traditional in the middle. But we are going to go for more exclusive to Nobu. And this is the back, the hot dishes that are exclusive that they made here. This is the tuna carpaccio, which is bluefin tuna belly. It looks really good. It's got some almonds.
And some green stuff.
Green stuff. Looks really good.
The cauliflower roasted in a brick oven with chewy plants, micro cilantro, jalapeno dressing on the side.
Nice.
Thank you.
Roasted in a brick oven. Yum, Deirdre. Smells lovely. All right, so we're having our black cod with miso. How that is. Here at Nobu. Okay, we are moving rooms to the Augustus Tower because we really like the location better. The Octavius Tower is super far, and so we're gonna move to a new room. All right, we are in room 4183, but it does have a nice little sitting area over here. and a desk. And I think it's perfect. I'd much rather be here in this room with a shorter walk to the casino, because we were in the very back of the Augustus Tower and it was so far. I mean, the view isn't wonderful. You can look over there and see the pool here at Caesars, which is super nice pool. Pretty cool. And you can see the mountains over there in the distance. And then there's some of the other towers at Caesars and the Nobu, and then this way you can see the strip. So not a bad view. I think actually a better view than what we had before. And you can look back there and see some mountains too. So not worth the points for us that it costs to get a suite. We'd much rather be at the Augusta Tower in a normal room. So here it is. Okay, so right off of this area by Pronto Baggiata, they've got really good quick food in the round bar and the wine bar by Giada as well, and a Peter Luger steakhouse. And then there is the buffet. And that is what we're going to check out, is this amazing buffet. We are here at the buffet. All this fresh seafood.
We had some great food. We loved the concert. Oh my God, we went and saw Shania Twain.
Oh, yes.
So we got 3 tickets comped. We were able to get a ticket for our daughter for her birthday, and at Planet Hollywood at the back theater. And there's just not a bad seat in that house. It's really all, they're all low and they're all great seats. So she's such a performer. So y'all ready to see, drum roll, how much money we spent on this trip? So when I do my math, hopefully right, I earned on my card, and I played all 4 days, the 29,199 tier credits. But I also earned, was able to take advantage and maximize and get a bonus 40,000 tier credits because of the 10-time multiplier.
Right.
So that put me right at 70,000 points I was able to get on this trip alone at Caesars. That 10-time multiplier helped, and I got the 7 stars, so that was exciting.
Yeah, it's excellent.
For sure. And you did what? You only played 2 days.
And I just played the 2 days.
On your card.
On my card. And got 11,344 points plus the 10 times multiplier. So
Which got you to Diamond Elite.
Which got me to Diamond Elite.
You get that $600 airfare.
Yeah.
Now we have 2 of those. That's exciting.
Yeah.
Plus our other trip that we get from being 7 stars. So that really helps when you go to Vegas as often as we do. So got those points. We estimated the value of our Shania Twain tickets at about $900. Our room was, for the type of room we had, when I looked it up what you would pay for that room, it was about $950 a night. Times 4 is $3,800 since we stayed 4 nights at Caesars property. We spent about $1,054 on meals. But then we also took advantage of, we each got, being Diamond Plus or above, $100 a day for 4 drinks. That can be your coffee, your water. Look for a link to another video that I did about that. But we were both able to use that each day. So that was about $200, $100 each. So that was $800 additional value that we
Times 4 days.
gained there.
700.
Plus about $150 a day in additional drinks. Drinks in Vegas are expensive. I mean, they're $20 to
Everything in Vegas is expensive.
$40 a drink. Yeah, everything's in Vegas is expensive. So our total trip estimated for those 4 days in Vegas, if we would have paid for it, would have been $7,154. And we paid only $507.91. And that is mostly our tips and things that we left.
Right.
So that included our transportation, our everything. Only thing I didn't give you a value for were our plane tickets, which we also, that's probably close to a $700 value.
Yeah.
So right at $7,800, $7,900. Well, it would be, if it's $700 airfare, that'd be $7,854 is what this trip would cost us. But we only spent $507.91. The good news, bad news is we didn't go over our entertainment budget, but we didn't bring much of it home.
No.
So we didn't win on this trip. Wasn't a winning money, bring more money home than we went with trip, but we didn't spend more than our entertainment budget,
That's right.
and that's what we have it for. So
And it was a great trip.
it was a fantastic trip. So hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoy all the footage that we got for you and more next time. Please like, share, and comment below what you want to see moving forward from us. It really helps the channel a lot whenever you engage with us. We appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, see you soon.
Thanks so much. See you soon.